In Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, northern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, eastern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, northeastern Elton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hutton to 7 miles north of Fullerton to near Sugartown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alexandria, Pineville, Glenmora, Boyce, Chickaville, Elizabeth, Turkey Creek, Alexandria International Airport, Slagle, Keneston, Lena, Fort Johnson, Pitkin, Ball, Lecompte, Tioga, Timber Trail, Hutton, Esla Regional Airport, and Flatwoods. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm.